Since we're in the United States, I select that and I click close. Now you have the capability to go to the unit conversion and do an interclass or intraclass. However, you need to associate that with the product. If you do have a product, you could select it and then assign that conversion, or alternatively, you could just close this form and go to Product Information Management module, select the product and do the unit conversion there. So I take the liberty and I'd like to create my 5th product indicating the multi-unit demo. So let's go back here and take a look at the release product. I'm not going to define a product and release it anymore. I think you got the concept. This time I call it MU. It stands for multi-unit. That means you have multiple units. For the very first time, the catch here is you need to select the same unit for inventory, purchase, sales, and BOM to be the same. You can't change them at this time unless you have already converted it. I use the template in order to apply this. Of course, I'm going to change it if I like to. But as you notice, the unit of measures for inventory, purchase, sales, and BOM, they're all set to be each. However, if any of these units are subject to be converted, they would be available on the drop down. As you see, these are the convertible units that you can pick and choose right here. If you have already done the conversion, then it will appear here so you can use it, no problem. But if I wanted to use case, as you see in my scenario, the case is not being shown here. So let's go ahead and accept the default values, and then we do the conversion and we change it later. I click OK. The second step is to select the unit conversion from the action pane. Of course, I've validated everything's good. Now, if I click new, automatically knows I've highlighted that product and it picks up the product for me. From the from units and to units, let's go ahead and pick up our new units. So I say from each to case, which I recently made,